Red grapes are often celebrated for their role in making fine wine, but their real value might lie in what they do for your health. Inside these vibrant fruits is a natural powerhouse called resveratrol, a compound that supports and protects your blood vessels like few other nutrients can. According to research from leading institutions, including findings from studies in Connecticut, resveratrol activates proteins that guard the heart and circulation system, creating a natural layer of protection against long-term damage. These grapes also work wonders by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, two major forces behind sluggish circulation and overall health decline. They don't just taste great, they serve a purpose, helping to preserve your energy and vitality. In fact, research from the University of South Florida shows red grapes may even help regenerate blood vessel stem cells, essentially rejuvenating the system that carries oxygen throughout your body. With every handful, you're fueling your heart, your brain, and your intimate life with renewed strength and flow. Adding red grapes to your diet is simple. Eat them fresh, frozen, tossed in a fruit salad, or even blended into a smoothie. They're affordable, widely available, and far more delicious than most supplements. But more than anything, they're proof that something small and natural can offer profound health benefits, especially when it comes to circulation and intimacy. These little fruits are like nature's way of reminding you that vibrant health is still within reach, no matter your age. Now let's talk about apples, a fruit so common we forget how powerful it really is. Apples are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that supports your arteries by helping them stay flexible and resilient. That flexibility is what allows blood to flow smoothly, bringing oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body, including the parts that matter most in moments of connection. A study from the University of Reading showed that quercetin improves endothelial function, which is just a fancy way of saying your blood vessels work better and more efficiently. What's more, apples combat the buildup of plaque in the arteries. They fight oxidative stress and help keep inflammation low, both of which are crucial for keeping your heart healthy and your energy levels steady. They're also high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and maintain a clean, smooth-flowing circulatory system. Whether you eat them raw, in slices, or baked with cinnamon, apples are an easy and tasty way to support your intimate health as you age. Next is one of the creamiest, most satisfying fruits out there, the avocado. It's more than just a trendy toast topping. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse for heart health and vitality. Research from Penn State suggests that even one avocado a day can significantly lower bad cholesterol, the kind that damages blood vessels over time. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help keep blood vessels strong and flexible, while the high potassium content helps relax arterial walls, promoting steady and smooth blood flow. That improved circulation supports more than just your heart. It supports your energy, endurance, and intimacy. When blood flows more easily, everything from your brain to your extremities functions more efficiently. Whether you mash avocado into guacamole, spread it on toast, or add it to a salad, this fruit fits seamlessly into daily meals and offers a boost of vitality with every bite. Moving into something a bit more tropical, mangoes are often called the king of fruits, and with good reason. Mangoes are loaded with vitamins A, C, and beta-carotene, all of which help reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress. According to research from Oklahoma State University, regular mango consumption lowers stress markers in the body and supports better blood vessel function. That's great news for anyone who wants to maintain smooth, healthy circulation, especially as they get older. Each bite of a ripe mango isn't just delicious, it's also a source of comfort and calm. The antioxidants in mangoes help your arteries stay relaxed and flexible, supporting better blood flow throughout your body. Enjoy them in yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or eat them fresh. Mangoes offer a powerful way to feel refreshed and supported inside and out. This fruit shows that self-care doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as enjoying something naturally sweet and deeply nourishing. Oranges are another familiar fruit with a surprising amount of power behind their bright flavor. Rich in vitamin C, oranges help your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps your blood vessels strong and elastic. With every segment or sip of fresh juice, you're feeding your circulatory system what it needs to stay youthful and resilient. Oranges also contain hesperidin, a flavonoid shown to improve vascular function and reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. A study from the University of Reading highlighted how hesperidin strengthens the lining of your arteries, ensuring blood flows freely and efficiently. Meanwhile, research from Arizona points out that vitamin C helps preserve nitric oxide, a compound your body needs to relax blood vessels and ease tension on the heart. Whether you're peeling them for a snack, mixing them into a salad, or enjoying them in juice form, oranges are a refreshing and effective way to support circulation and stay energized. Next up is the often overlooked kiwi. Small and fuzzy on the outside, this fruit is bursting with nutrients that pack a serious punch. Kiwi is especially beneficial for blood pressure, a silent condition that becomes more common with age and can quietly restrict blood flow. According to a study by the University of Oslo, eating 3 kiwis a day helped reduce blood pressure by improving vessel flexibility and decreasing tension in the cardiovascular system. Kiwis are also rich in vitamin C, more than oranges in fact. That supports collagen production and vessel strength, while the fruit's fiber helps sweep away cholesterol and keep arteries clean. Slice it into yogurt, add it to a bowl of oatmeal, or eat it fresh. Kiwis offer a bright, tangy boost to your circulation and overall vitality. They're a small fruit with a big message. Health doesn't have to be complicated. Then there are strawberries, the vibrant red jewels of the fruit world. Aside from being irresistibly sweet, strawberries are filled with ellagic acid, a compound that helps increase nitric oxide in the body. This directly improves circulation by relaxing blood vessels and ensuring blood flows freely to every part of your body. That's critical not just for energy and heart health, but also for intimacy and connection. Strawberries are also high in vitamin C, which supports the production of collagen and helps maintain the strength and flexibility of your arteries. Their antioxidant content adds another layer of protection, reducing damage from oxidative stress and helping you feel your best day after day. Whether fresh, frozen, or added to a smoothie, strawberries are a smart way to care for your health, in a way that also feels like a treat. Now let's talk about blueberries. These small, dark fruits may seem modest, but they're among the most powerful when it comes to vascular support. Rich in anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color, blueberries fight inflammation and help reduce stiffness in blood vessels. A study from the University of Maine found that wild blueberries improve endothelial function, ensuring your blood vessels stay in top shape for optimal circulation. Blueberries are also packed with antioxidants that prevent plaque buildup and support cognitive health, another important factor in aging well. They're versatile too. Toss them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or eat them by the handful as a snack. These berries prove that good things really do come in small packages, especially when it comes to staying energized, sharp, and physically connected. Watermelon, a summer favorite, also deserves a place on this list, not just for hydration, but for what it contains: citrulline. This natural amino acid helps increase arginine in the body, which boosts nitric oxide levels and improves blood flow. That means better oxygen delivery, reduced pressure on the heart, and a circulation system that's primed for performance. Research from Texas A&M has even suggested that watermelon's impact on blood flow is similar to that of certain prescription medications. Don't skip the rind either. That's where citrulline is most concentrated. Blend it into smoothies for maximum benefits. Whether you enjoy watermelon as a juicy snack or a chilled juice, this fruit is a delicious way to keep your body running smoothly, especially in the areas that matter most for intimacy and energy. Finally, there's the bold and beautiful pomegranate. Long known as a symbol of vitality, this fruit also delivers on a cellular level. Pomegranate juice increases nitric oxide by over 30%, according to studies from California. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving flow to all parts of the body, especially during intimate moments. The polyphenols in pomegranates are powerful antioxidants that repair and protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, helping them stay flexible and responsive. Add pomegranate seeds to a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or drink pure, unsweetened juice. However you consume it, this fruit helps reset the aging process for your arteries, keeping them strong, clean, and flowing freely. Incorporating these 10 fruits into your daily routine isn't just about snacks or meals. It's about choosing foods that nourish your heart, support your circulation, and reignite a sense of energy and connection in your life. Each bite is a small act of care that adds up to a powerful transformation over time.